Today is Lacey's birthday.
What you doing?
Hi.
What you doing?
I'm cleaning out the attic.
Really? Why is that?
Look at iPad.
Who's that?
That's Josie. Dude, this guy is the cutest thing ever.
No. You're ready to win, right?
Bro, let's do this.
Yeah. Nice.
Bro, last time I vlogged was at...
You should vlog.
Was here.
Really?
Last time I vlogged... Oh my gosh.
Oh my.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay, listen. Hop in, Jesse. This is Jesse vlogging right now.
I'm so good.
You're so good.
Literally amazing.
Dude, such a real vlogger. All right, we're here. Oh!
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Run,
it's a
we're gonna get them
competition.
first. What do you mean
Competition.
You mean the...
Oh, you mean the losers? Oh yeah.
You mean the participators?
they get the participation award. Very funny.
That's the point.
Like on a lower shelf or whatever. You should not have to climb on. Okay, let's go. And do not open your purple envelope until I tell you.
Competition starts now, Jesse.
Open the...
Look it up, Jesse. Look it up.
Okay,
First thing.
a bunch of bread.
Beads.
Beads.
Oh, we got a Christmas tree. Christmas tree.
Bread.
Get in, Jesse. Okay.
That's it.
Look, it's our reflection. Appears to be a tiny kitchen. We're gonna take a picture of a tiny kitchen. Tiny kitchen acquired.
Wrong way.
Backyard scene.
Right down.
Let's go. Bye, guys. Fire extinguisher. Found a circus tent. Camel. Let's go. Right, that. Look at that. They have polka dots right there. I'm saying it right here. If this isn't polka dots, then I ain't human. All right. Salt and pepper, salt and pepper, salt and pepper, salt and pepper. What do you guys find?
We're actually done.
I want to. This is so cute.
Oh, it's like.
It's a grinder, isn't it? Yeah. That's salt and pepper. Let's look at this. It's just basically an hourglass. Come over. What does it say?
You're actually not done yet. Bring us your favorite jungle animal and retrieve your next set.
Jungle animal, favorite.
You like not ticklish or anything?
No, I am, but I'm really good at controlling it.
I don't think Ryan would like this.
Stop. Lazy. Yeah. What the heck? Okay.
Fine. Well, we have 5 minutes to find as much stuff as we want.
Go to the cafeteria.
But we could go to the cafeteria early and get early food, and we don't care anymore. So yeah.
I don't know. Did they actually come?
I don't think so. finished.
So
like,
done.
but like not all the lists. We were just like kind of gave up.
We had like
And we're really hungry.
6 left.
Did we? It's better than I thought.
Yeah.
I'm so hungry.
So no, my head is 12.
Actually, we should on those seats so everyone can sit down with us.
Really bad. I'm so far from Are you guys ready to figure out who won and who got the prizes? Oh my gosh.
Yeah. We forgot to turn ours in.
That means you didn't.
Okay.
Exactly, we
The
disqualified.
first place team gets the chocolate cookies for each person. And a chocolate bar.
Whoa.
Which is
Wait, all these chocolates and cookies are imported from
Sweden?
Switzerland.
Do you forget how to read?
Okay, hang on.
Wait, before I say it.
Is this making us sound extra?
He forgot how
Yeah,
to read.
maybe you got it.
I mean,
Okay, drum roll for the winner.